Hello and welcome to MADinc. My name is James and this is the Lamborghini Huracán LP580-2. It has a 5.2 litre naturally aspirated V10 that drives the rear wheels only via a 7-speed dual clutch gearbox. Now the name Huracán is Italian for hurricane and is the name of a fighting bull that performed in the 1800s. Now the technical designation of the name refers to a longitudinally positioned mid-engined car that produces 580 horsepower and drives 2 wheels only. Now this Huracán is here at MADinc for an extensive list of items, including PPF applied to the full front, including the custom carbon fibre front lip, and replacing the custom vinyl striping with paint protection film also. Let's get started. First things first, as always, the car is taken to our wash bay where it can be cleaned up, decontaminated, and the condition of the paint can be inspected. It's treated to our usual Gyeon foam pre-rinse and 2-bucket wash to remove all of the dirt and grime that sits on the body of the car, the wheels, and on every exterior surface. The body of the car is deionized, clay-barred, rinsed down and dried before the paint is carefully inspected before applying PPF. While all this is happening, our paint protection film installers are using XPEL's Design Access program to find any existing templates for this car and to draft custom templates for this vehicle specifically. This of course includes the stripes that are going to be replaced in PPF, these edgy looking headlight surrounds, and the custom carbon fibre front lip. At MADinc, we take pride in taking care and precision towards the application of film on every single vehicle. What that means for this vehicle specifically is trying to minimise the number of visual edges between different types of film as much as possible. The way we got around this was to protect the entire front end in paint protection film before applying any of the additional custom PPF decals. From the front end of the car moving backwards, a full front paint protection film package protects the front bumper, the headlights, the bonnet, the front fenders, and the mirrors. In the case of this car, it means that all of these areas were protected entirely in XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film before the custom PPF parts were applied. These custom templates are then drawn up, printed, cut out, and then applied to the car with laser-guided precision. Literally. The striping and the headlight surrounds made out of the custom PPF were applied on top of the now existing Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Inspect the car closely and you will see no gaps or visible seams between the differing types of films. Now of course it should be noted that the only area where this process differed was on the roof of the car. The roof of course is not included in a full front paint protection film package, however we replaced the existing vinyl striping with the same PPF that's on the front of the car anyway. This just means that the striping on the front of the car matches the top, and it would look unusual if that wasn't done. The only area where the vinyl striping was not replaced with PPF was on the lower section of the front bumper that's normally covered by the carbon fibre front lip. This part is of course hidden by that lip, and it would be an unnecessary material cost to the owner of the car to replace these. The custom carbon fibre front lip is an incredibly intricate piece to try and protect in paint protection film. So once it was off the car, it took precise and intricate measurements to create custom templates for this piece. After a difficult and fiddly process, the entire external surface of the lip was protected, and once the rest of the paint protection film on the body of the car had been applied, the lip was refitted to the front bumper. Once all of the paint protection film had been applied, including the custom pieces, the car was rinsed down to remove any excess gel and then detailed thoroughly inside and out. The car gets a full interior detail as well as cleaning up any exterior parts of the car that might have gotten dirty while it was here. The car's wipers were replaced with PR silicone windscreen wiper blades, of which we have a selection available in our showroom. The finished product is carefully inspected and checked off, and now it sits ready for collection. That concludes this video of the Lamborghini Huracán. If you like what you see, feel free to check out any of our other content on our social media or YouTube channel or on our website. If you have any questions about the products or services that we offer, feel free to get in contact with us and we'd love to answer any of your questions. For now though, thank you so much for watching and we look forward to seeing you next time.